gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Wait, this isn't the Pura X2 we were expecting. Huawei surprised everyone with the much bigger Pura X Max, and honestly, the moment I held it, I knew this design was something special.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Huawei says they tested multiple sizes to find the most comfortable everyday experience. After extensive research at a 300mm viewing distance, they settled on a 7.7-inch inner display and a 5.4-inch outer display. The result? A foldable that feels perfectly balanced whether it's open or closed. The build quality is equally impressive. You get a symmetrical center camera module, a premium ceramic lens ring, and a beautiful textured glass finish on the special edition. As light hits the back, it creates a stunning layered effect. And just like I said in the unboxing, the 0-degree white color looks incredibly clean and premium. Now, here's the biggest upgrade over the regular Pura X, the outer display. It's much larger, covering nearly half the phone, so it feels like a complete screen instead of just a small preview display. You can comfortably use the phone without unfolding it. That means more content on screen, better photo and video viewing, and a much more practical experience. Hold it horizontally, and it feels like a tiny book. Turn it vertically, and it resembles a compact notebook. Even better, your thumb naturally rests on the power button while reading, making scrolling effortless. It's such a smart little detail. Using both hands feels even better. Thumb reach isn't an issue, and one-handed back gestures work smoothly. It may look simple, but this widescreen outer display is surprisingly well thought out. Open the phone, and it transforms into a compact tablet. Huawei has optimized the entire software experience for this larger screen. Watching 16:9 videos now gives you up to 135% more viewing area compared to a regular flagship phone. I also love watching 4:3 videos, and here they almost fill the display with barely any black bars. Add the ultra-thin dual speakers and enhanced bass with a 3 dB boost, and movies, music, and games become far more immersive. Gaming gets a serious advantage too. Some games offer up to 30% more vertical view, helping you spot enemies earlier. Other titles feel closer to PC gaming, with better proportions, smoother controls, and easier visibility behind cover. Even games made for vertical screens look better because the aspect ratio is closer to the original artwork. Characters and environments simply appear more natural. Reading is another highlight. Holding the inner screen vertically feels just like using an e-book reader. With around 22 to 32 characters per line, reading feels comfortable, while comics and AI-generated content look vibrant and engaging. Productivity gets a major boost too. Apps like PowerPoint and Excel show much more information at once, and the new M Pen 3 Mini takes full advantage of the larger display. The stylus is packed with useful features. Press the writing button to instantly annotate, add calendar schedules, or take notes. Switching tools inside Huawei Notes is quick and seamless. Huawei's Xiaoi's circle feature makes things even smarter. Simply circle anything on the screen to search it instantly. With Huawei Reading and Memos, you can drag and extract content easily, while the hover button instantly activates translation during presentations or documents. Double-press the Smart Key for extra shortcuts, and the hidden microphone inside the stylus supports direct voice input. A single press can also launch Xiaowai anytime. Inside Huawei Notes, AI inspiration can turn rough sketches into polished artwork, enhance photos, and even copy styles between images. Advanced users also get a professional node-based editing mode for greater creative freedom. And finally, the Pura X Max is the first device to include the Tiansang painting app. From watercolor to oil painting to markers and more, everything comes pre-installed, making this foldable a complete creative powerhouse right out of the box. And here's something I didn't expect. Video editing is actually fantastic on the Pura X Max. In CapCut, vertical videos get around 110% more preview space, while horizontal editing gains over 130%. You see more tools at once, so there's far less scrolling and a much smoother workflow. Add the M Pen 3 Mini and editing becomes even easier. Cutting clips, adding text, and making precise adjustments feels natural. Speed controls are smooth, and exports now run in the background so you can keep working. This larger display truly boosts productivity. Now let's talk cameras. Huawei cocks the Pura X Max with its second-generation Hongpeng imaging system and a super light-sensitive main camera. Day or night, photo quality stays consistently impressive. My favorite camera is easily the 50-megapixel telephoto macro. It captures incredible close-up detail with beautiful background blur. It's one of those cameras that makes you want to photograph everything around you. Huawei also added smart selfie features. AI pose guidance gives you on-screen outlines to help find the perfect pose. And with dual screen preview, the person you're photographing can see themselves in real time, making photos much easier to nail. Whether someone is camera shy or loves taking selfies, it's like having a pose coach. The Xmage selfie system also suggests compositions, colors, and creative ideas, making great photos easier for everyone. There's another fun trick too. Dynamic photos can transform into immersive 3D-style moving images with a bullet time effect. You can even share them in their original dynamic format to make memories feel more alive. AI is another major highlight. The new Xiaoyi Companion AI launches with a double press and stays beside any app you're using. No jumping between windows, it's always ready when you need it. Reading a long article, it can summarize, translate, or explain difficult terms. In WeChat, it even recognizes dates from chats and adds them directly to your calendar. It genuinely feels like having a personal assistant. The best part? AI works alongside whatever you're doing without interrupting you. It quietly stays available in the background. Foldables are no longer just about hardware. AI has become an instant, built-in part of the experience. Performance is just as impressive. The Pura X Max runs on the new 9030 Pro chipset and is the first foldable with HarmonyOS 6.1. Huawei claims 30% better performance, smooth gaming, and growing support from major mobile game titles. Durability has also improved. The inner display uses an industry-first triple composite laminated structure with 90% better impact resistance. The new Igloo hinge boosts drop resistance by 33%, while second-generation Kunlun glass protects the outer display. You also get IP58 and IP59 dust and water resistance. Overall, the Huawei Pura X Max isn't just another foldable. Its A4 paper-inspired screen ratio creates a seamless experience inside and out. The outer screen is practical enough for everyday use, while the tablet-sized display becomes even more powerful with the M Pen 3 Mini and built-in AI. What I like most is that it feels unique without trying too hard. It quietly improves almost everything you do. In China, the base model starts at 10,999 yuan, roughly 1,193 pounds, or about $1,613. And one last thing, the name says it all. This isn't the Pura X2. Huawei is likely saving that for later, but after using the Pura X Max for several days, it's honestly been hard to put down. Between compact phones and traditional foldables, Huawei has created something refreshingly different, more flexible, more practical, and genuinely useful. If you enjoyed learning about the Pura X Max, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.